Hello.
Wait,
Saan ka ngayon?
I do want to see you. Would you stay a while?
Good
Sure.
afternoon.
Hi.
Afternoon, afternoon.
Wala pa sila.
Hello, everyone. Let's just wait for the others. Let's give them until 4:35.
Okay.
Okay. You can
Okay,
pause your cameras if
teacher.
you want to.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
First man of the house. Oh,
Sige, walang nananata.
now we can eat. None of this food is what I like. Something that I like. Weren't you always eating what I made for you before? Suddenly you're so picky. I don't even know what you like to eat.
Sakto lang kay Lucas.
Serena, you don't want to eat? Fine. Why don't you take your fiance, who you've rejected a million times, and get it? All that
Sorry.
drama, and you still sit there and eat like a good little puppy. Serena, are you crazy? My mom put a lot of effort into that.
Ay, crazy.
Fine, don't eat. But then why the hell can't I eat?
Don't eat. Tiyahin natin para what pera. I don't like to eat.
Let's feed it to the rats, shall we? Oh, Serena. Yeah. I like it. Figure it out. And you can pack things and leave. Need to have a word with her. How could you say that to my mom? What about your mom? She's my maid. She does what I say. She's my mom. Apologize to her now. She's a servant, acting like she's got more class than my mom. I'm giving her a chance to redo it. Not if she doesn't like it, she can pack her and leave. Yeah, I know. You brought this gigolo just to piss me off. Don't be so childish. She's probably trying to get you attention in her own way. You figure it out? And stop trying. Get out. Get out. Mom picked big bucks to hire. You can't just ask me to leave like that. I'm sorry for you. Your husband passed away young, and you have to just get on your own. She paid you well and treat you better. So tell me, how about I train you? You've been good to me. So you've been a pushover. You know, you've been acting like
Get better.
that your son.
Okay, everybody. Are you ready?
Okay, ready.
Next
Okay, please turn off your
Ready.
camera. I turn on your camera. I'm sorry. What did I say? Okay, Teacher Dada, please turn on your camera.
Another picture.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So this time, okay. All right. Let's take a picture. Ready? Say, no, maganda. Kimchi. Ready, go. Kimchi.
Chi.
Parang mga pilit na pilit tayo ah. Wait a minute. Parang,
Kimchi.
parang mga pilit na pilit tayo ah. 16:30. All right. Here you go. Okay. So hi guys. Today another tongue twisting training. We're gonna have another tongue twisting training. And offline pressure cooker na naman tayo. Why offline pressure cooker? Because we're gonna use a pressure cooker to make our tongue softer. Okay?
Stop.
Yes. Okay. Last time we talked about a long eye and short eye, right?
Yes.
Okay. This time we're going to talk about this one. So this is one of the common problem of the teachers. Here you go. Let me just share it with you. Okay. Tell me if you can see it. Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So, okay. When we have a training, as much as possible, I want you to exaggerate the accent, the pronunciation. Why? Lahat na ng arte nyo, ilabas nyo na. Kasi, it will be subtle. As time pass by, mababawasan at
Yeah.
mababawasan yan because you'll get used to it. And you get used to how you say it. But for now, exaggerate nyo muna as much as you can. Okay. Teacher Judy, please read the title.
Cat, hot, hot.
Okay. Good. Now, our objective is to be able to articulate correctly the highly characteristic sounds of American English. So this IPA is
Ah.
and schwa sound.
Ah.
Okay, everybody say
Ah.
Yeah, I want you to open your mouth like this. Mali ang bibig ni Teacher M. One more time. Like this. One more time. I-close nyo muna. Baka pasukan. Ganyan. Ganito. Very good, Teacher Dada. Teacher Jerry, can I see it? Teacher Jerry, natatabunan ka ng lipstick mo. Hindi ko makita. Tinatago ng lipstick mo yung bibig mo. Okay, one more time.
Wala ko lipstick. Ano yun?
Yung sa filter. Teacher M.
Yes.
Close your mouth first. Wait a minute. Close your mouth first. Not Okay, Teacher D. Hindi na nagalaw si Teacher D. Ayan. Practice. Okay, so that's it. Okay, that's Next is the sound. That's You see, iba yung position ng bibig. And then Okay, everybody say Huwag kayong matakot, ibuka yung bibig nyo. Okay, one more time. Say Yeah. Teacher Dada, mali. Yes, very good. Pangit tingnan, no? Next is the schwa sound. Schwa sound. Say Okay, para kayong Okay, that's good. Okay, now, let's have this one. This is as in cat. Hindi siya cat, hindi siya cat. Okay?
Cat.
Okay, everybody say cat.
Cat.
Yun. Ulitin nyo. One more time. Cat.
Cat.
3 times. Cat. Good job.
Cat.
Yan. Nadali nyo. Okay, Teacher M, say cat.
Cat.
Not cat. Cat.
Cat. Cat.
Cat. Ano siyang A at saka E. Cat.
Cat.
Yes, ganyan. Hindi siya cat, ha? Hindi siya cat. Hindi siya cat. Siya ay cat. Okay,
Cat.
Teacher Bon. Teacher
Cat.
Bon. One more
Cat.
time. Good job. Teacher Judy.
Cat.
Tingnan niyo si Teacher Judy. Magaling na siya. She's been teaching also for like 13 or 14 years. She's an ESL English teacher. But she always attend our training. Hindi siya napapagod. Kasi ang learning is a continuous process. So, minsan, alam na natin, pero nakakalimutan natin. So, better attend lang kayo ng training. Okay? Thank you, Teacher Judy, for attending our training. Next. Although, not... Okay, ano yun? Sinong Natsugi Bells? Although not a common sound, is very distinctive to the ear and is typically American. To pronounce it, drop your jaw down as if you were going to say, See, look at me. Ibababa niyo siya. Hindi ito gagalaw. Ito ang gagalaw. Yes! You see, if you follow the position, napoproduce nyo yung right sound. Try nyo. Para lang kayo umuungol, ah. Okay, then, from that position, try to say, Okay, next. Can you read this, please, Teacher M?
Cut.
Oh, everything.
As in cut. As in cut.
Cut. Okay. Please read, Teacher M.
Sound the a.
The sound.
The sound occurs a little more frequently to pronounce a. Relax your tongue and drop your jaw. As in,
Drop your jaw.
Drop your jaw as far down as it will go. Put your hand under your chin and say ma, pa, ta, sa. Your hand should push down by your jaw as it opens.
Okay, everybody, let's start with this one first. Okay, again, look at me. Now touch your lips.
Okay.
Okay, now say, now, when you touch it, you put your other hand under your chin. Okay, then you say, Okay, you remove the other hand. So you start with and then Okay? Yes, that's it. So you start with and then Yes, that's how you say it. Okay? Okay? That's for cat. Very good. Your dada parang lasing. Apple. Okay, that's good. Now this one is caught. This one is another sound, so it's like caught. It's not cold, okay?
Caught.
Put your hand under your chin. You say ma. Okay, thank you. All right, remember it's the sound that you make when the doctor wants to see your throat. So it So open it up and drop your jaw. Ah. So remember, if it is this sound, yung pag tinitingnan ng doktor yung bibig natin, okay, say ah, like that. Ah. You see, it's all A, but it has two
With your
sounds
tongue
already.
out. With your tongue.
No, you don't need to wait a second. Let me see it. Wait. Okay, now this one is the schwa sound. Okay, schwa is like
Schwa.
cut.
Schwa.
Cut. Can you say that again, please? Cut.
Cut.
Yes.
Cut.
You don't say cut. No. You don't say cat. You say
Schwa.
cut.
Cut.
Okay, schwa sound. All right. Now, can you please read, Teacher Bon?
The schwa sounds.
Yeah.
I
The schwa.
read. The schwa. Sorry. The schwa sound is the most common sound in American English. Spelling doesn't help identify it because it can appear as any one of the vowels. It is neutral vowel sound
Okay, that's good. Now, some dictionaries use two different written characters like this one, inverted E, and this one, but it's always schwa. That's the symbol for the schwa sound. A schwa sound, Teacher Dada, please read. A schwa is
sound is
Arte. I'm listening.
schwa is neutral but it's not silent. To make the as sound,
Schwa.
put your hand
You call it schwa sound.
schwa. Okay. To make the schwa sound, put your hand on your diaphragm and push until the breath escapes. Don't move your jaw, tongue, or lips. It sounds like ah.
Okay, you put your hand in your diaphragm sa tiyan nyo, and then you say, ah. You don't move everything, okay? Just say, cut. Okay. Now, please read, Teacher Jerry. Note.
Note, word by word, pronunciation will be different than individual sounds within a sentence. That, than, as, at, and have, had, can, and so on are eh, as sounds when they stand alone. But they are weak words that reduce quickly in speech.
Yes, these words, you can read this differently when it's a single word, but when it's in a sentence, iba rin yung pronunciation. Example, this is that, than, as, at, and, have, had, can. That's how you read it if it is a single word. But if it is in a sentence, hindi naman. You don't say, that is an apple. No, you say, that is an apple. Medyo i-reduce mo. But if it is a single word, i-emphasize mo. Okay, dahil makulit ka, Teacher Dada, please read. As arte as you can do. Ready, go.
Note, word for word,
Yes.
pronunciation.
No. Just this one, Teacher Dada. Just this one.
Okay.
Wait a second. What's wrong?
That.
Arte lang.
That.
Art.
Mamaya masampal na tayo ng asawa natin.
That.
Nangyari sa inyo?
Wala si ma'am. That.
Sige, nag-alis ka na, bro, Rodney.
Okay, Teacher Dada, go. Okay, please read. That, then, maarte, sa pinakamaarte mong kayang gawin. Okay. Bakla ka ngayon, bakla. Okay, ready, go.
That, than, as, at, and, have, had, can.
Okay, as.
As like they.
Oh, diba, girls, what do you think?
Better.
It's better, right?
Yes.
He sounds better. Okay, how
Yes.
about you, teacher Jerry? Can you read this, please?
Okay. That, then, has, had, and, have, had, can.
Good job. You see, it sounds better. Now, let's continue. Let's do this word by word and in a sentence. Okay, example. Like I said, if it is just a word, you read it stressed. But if it is in a sentence, you just read it like schwa sound. Example, that, that. He said that he said that it's okay. You see, it's schwa sound when it's a sentence. But when you read it, that, as a single word, you say that. He said that it's okay. Okay, please read, Teacher M.
Number 2.
Number 2.
Then, it's bigger than before.
One more time. It's the.
And
Then.
Then it's bigger than before.
Yes, good job. Teacher Bon.
as,
One more time.
as,
And.
as,
Now.
the, soon he gets here.
No. As soon as he gets here.
Sorry.
As soon as he gets here.
As soon as he gets here.
Okay, very good. Teacher D, please read. Please read, Teacher D.
At,
And then?
at,
No, the sentence.
look at the time.
You don't say, look at the time, sweetheart. You say, look at.
Look at
the time. Yes, that's good. All right. Teacher Judy, please read.
And
Look at the time.
sentence. I
Yes.
will read the sentence now.
Look at the time.
Ham and eggs.
Okay, next. Very good, Teacher
Look
Judy.
at the time.
Okay, it's enough, Teacher D. Yes, that's correct. How about you, Teacher M? Please read.
have,
Have. Yes.
Where have you been?
Yes. Okay. Now, Teacher Vaughn.
Sorry.
This one. It's
Okay. He had been at home.
One more time.
He
Had.
He had been at home.
Okay. He had been at home.
He had
Kasi
been at
schwa
home.
sound siya.
Okay.
He had been at home.
He had
Okay.
been at home.
Teacher Dada.
Can you do it?
Very good, Teacher Dada. Okay, next.
Thank you, ma'am.
Let's have this one. Let's practice. This is how you read it, everybody. Okay, I will read it. I will read first. Listen. Gap. Gone. Gun. Hat. Hot. Hut. You see my mouth? Can you see my mouth? Jan. John. Jump. Consistent siya na nakaposisyon. Lamp. Lawn. Lump. Man. Monster. Monday. Matter. Motto. Mutter. Okay, please read, Teacher M.
Gap, gun,
One more time. Gap.
Gun.
Very good.
Hat, hot.
Good job.
John,
Jan.
jump. John, jump.
Very good.
Lamp, lawn, lump.
Good job.
Man, monster, Monday.
Good.
Matter, motto.
Matter.
Motto, mutter.
Good job. Okay. Now, how about you, teacher Jerry? I can't hear you, teacher Jerry. Pwedeng mag-mic.
Okay. Gap. Gun. Gun.
Gap.
Gap.
Correct. Gone.
Gun.
Gun.
Gun. Sorry. Hat. Hot.
Oh. Hat.
Hat.
Hot.
Hot. Hot.
Hut.
Yeah. Jan. John.
John. This is John, everybody. John.
John. Okay. John. Jump. Lamp. Lawn.
Lawn.
Lawn. Lamp.
Okay.
Man. Monster.
No.
Monster.
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 Monday.
Matter.
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 Moto.
Moto.
Rolling T. Moto.
Motto.
Motto.
Motto. Motto.
Na.
Matter.
It sounds Nasaan dun yung sound ng If it is motto.
Okay.
Ma. Motto.
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 Motto. Okay, that's good. Next.
Matter.
Mutter.
Matter.
Okay, that's good. Now, let's have this one. Okay, please read, Teacher Judy.
I think it's a hat. I think it's hot.
May pagkakaiba ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, yun ang hinahanap ko sa inyo. Teacher Bon.
Dance over there. Dance over there.
Wala naman tayo pinag-aralan na
Dance.
It's awesome. Okay, one more time.
Dance over there. Dance.
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 Dance. Dance over there.
Dance over there.
Yes, that's good, Teacher Bon. Okay, Teacher M.
Do you see the caps?
It's letter C.
Do
One
you
more time.
see them? Do you see the caps? Do you see the cups?
Very good. Okay, see? Teacher D. Teacher D. Is sitting on the cat. He's sitting on the cot. Can you say that again, please? He's sitting on the cat. How about you, Teacher Dada? Can you read this, please?
Sitting on the cat.
Yan na naman yung dating Dada. Bumalik na naman. Alis. Yung bago ang kailangan ko. Okay, ready, go, Teacher Dada. Arte.
He's sitting on the cat. He's sitting on the cot.
One more time. He's sitting on the cat. He's sitting on the cot.
He's sitting on the cat. He's sitting on the cot.
Very good. Huwag mo na ibalik yung dati. Okay, next. Teacher Judy, please read.
Wait. His sack is on the floor. His sock is on the floor.
Very good. Okay, next. Teacher M.
Is the bag wet? Is the bag wet?
Yes, good job. Next, Teacher Jerry.
They're stacking up books. They're stacking up books.
Yes. So, guys, what do you think? How do you sound? Teacher M?
Better.
Do you sound the same? We didn't know that. As Filipinos, hindi naman tayo maarte, so we're not actually aiming for that.
Yes, we don't, hindi natin pinapansin yung mga
Yes, but little did we know, this is actually necessary, not because we're trying to Like we're trying to pertain something. So
Mhm.
would you believe that cotton is not cotton, it's cotton.
Cotton.
Button,
Silent.
button is not button, it's button. So we need to learn a lot of it's not that we want to sound like an American because but we are giving information, and if you don't know that information, you won't be able to give good and accurate information or knowledge to your students. Okay, so
Mhm.
today our accent training is only for 30 minutes because I have a class for 6 hours.
Okay.
Okay, and
Okay,
then
ma'am.
our next training is tomorrow. But if you, I no, we don't have training tomorrow. On
Sunday.
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 I want you to take a rest tomorrow. Okay, so Sunday we're gonna have a quiz
And
about
Ma'am
what we
Zoe,
studied.
can you send it on our group chat
Yes,
the
the material.
okay,
Okay,
so
all
we
right.
can practice it.
Okay, no problem.
Thank
So,
Okay,
if you
you.
have any
ma'am.
concerns, bye bye.
Bye,
Thank
ma'am.
you
Thank
for
Bye.
you.
attending.
Bye.